Hi viewers. Welcome back to my channel HMKsuper.cars. In this video we'll check out Koenigsegg, the supercar made by Swedish hypercar maker. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel HMK.Supercars and also press the bell icon to receive latest videos notifications. The Jesko is one of the fastest, meanest, and most powerful production cars ever produced. Swedish hypercar maker Koenigsegg made a name for itself with the Agera RS. That model stood as the world's fastest production car, able to hit a top speed of 278 miles per hour. Its replacement is the Jesko, a hypercar cut from the same mold as its supremely impressive predecessor. With its cavernous gills, sinewy haunches, and splayed tail, the Jesko looks fast and fearless. This is modern automotive design. A 1,280 horsepower V8 provides the muscle, backed up by a state-of-the-art 9-speed transmission that was built in-house. The Jesko starts at roughly $3 million. From what we can tell, this car's talents justify its not insignificant price. Koenigsegg's Jesko is offered in two flavors, a base model built for road use and a track-only variant. Base models come with all the treats hypercar buyers expect. The car boasts forged aluminum wheels in a staggered setup, with 20 inches up front and 21s in back. All models come with rear-wheel steering, which helps the car deliver faster cornering, improved maneuverability, and better steering feel. A front splitter, rear diffuser, and massive wing are on hand to maximize downforce and minimize drag. The car also features the brand's autoskin function, first seen on the Koenigsegg Regera, that opens every body panel with the press of a button. The Jesko is equipped with dihedral doors, and the autoskin system uses sensors to prevent these doors from opening in situations where they are faced with an obstruction. Only 125 Jeskos are slated for production. Koenigsegg reports that all of these cars already have been sold. The Koenigsegg Jesko is motivated by a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 generating 1280 horsepower and 1106 lb-ft of torque on pump gas. On E85, output jumps to 1600 horsepower. Koenigsegg claims that the engine features the world's lightest V8 crankshaft. Weighing in at a mere 28 pounds, the crankshaft is crafted from a single solid steel billet, and its flat plane layout facilitates even firing across engine banks. This design also sets the stage for a rich, memorable engine note. This Swedish hypercar comes with an innovative 9-speed gearbox referred to as the Lite Speed Transmission, LST. Built by Koenigsegg, the LST features a multi-clutch design that, according to the company, provides quicker gear shifts compared with a dual clutch. All models come with a rear-wheel steering system that heightens performance. At high speeds, this system turns the rear wheels in the same direction as the fronts to improve cornering and boost stability. At low speeds, it orients the back wheels in the opposite direction as the fronts to give the car a faster turn-in. Relative to the Agera RS, the Jesko offers a 40% increase in downforce. Koenigsegg says that the Jesko can produce 1,764 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour and as much as 3,086 pounds at higher speeds. That's almost as much as the car's claimed 3,131 pound curb weight. The Koenigsegg Jesko seats 2 passengers and comes with a detachable hardtop that allows you to enjoy open-air driving. Power windows, adjustable pedals, and an adjustable steering column are among the standard fare. The car's autoskin system provides electro-hydraulic operation of the body panels. High-end materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum are generously used throughout the cabin, giving the interior a swank look. The seats, which are electrically operated, can be upholstered in either leather or microfiber, with a vast selection of color options. The Jesko has 2 dedicated compartments, one up front and a smaller one in the rear, to hold your stuff. Together, these areas provide roughly 5 cubic feet of cargo space. Koenigsegg builds cars that go beyond the imagination of the ordinary petrolhead. The ingenuity and sheer amount of tech that goes into each of its vehicles is simply mind-blowing. and the end results are always cars that go beyond what we think is possible. The Jesko follows in the footsteps of cars such as the Agera RS and offers even more power and capability, which is hard to believe when you consider how potent the Agera is. With over 1,600 horsepower on E85 and a top speed of 278 miles per hour, the Jesko is at the forefront of automotive technology and capability. So guys, how do you feel about the video and information I shared? If you like it, please subscribe, like, and comment. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore more about the most expensive hypercars by Ferrari, Bugatti, and Pagani. Till then, take care and goodbye.